Data is everywhere, but let's be honest. Most businesses struggle to turn that data into real, actionable insights. Sound familiar? What if you could connect all your data sources, generate instant reports, and even get AI-powered insights without writing a single line of code? I am Knarik Badalian, and today I'm going to show you how Smart InteGraphics is revolutionizing business intelligence and making data analytics effortless for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can use Smart InteGraphics to streamline your workflow, gain instant insights, and make better business decisions fast. Stick around because I have something special for you at the end. Plus, if you have any questions, message me and let's discuss how Smart InteGraphics can work for you. So the problem is, why traditional data analytics is holding you back? Let's talk about the problem. Right now, most businesses face at least one of these challenges with data. First, data scattered across multiple platforms, Excel files, SQL databases, ERPs like SAP, and more. Complex analytics tools that require technical expertise or coding knowledge. Reports that take hours, if not days, to generate and analyze. A lack of real-time insights leading to slow or uninformed decision-making. If any of these sounds familiar, you are not alone. But here is the good news. Smart InteGraphics is designed to solve all of these problems. What makes Smart InteGraphics different from other analytics tools? It's built for simplicity, speed, and intelligence. No coding required. Here is what you get. Seamless data integration. Connects to Excel, CSV, SQL, Oracle, MySQL, SAP, and even cloud-based systems effortlessly. Customizable dashboards. Drag and drop charts, graphs, and widgets to create dashboards that make sense for you. AI-powered insights. Smart InteGraphics analyze your data and suggest the best chart and visualizations. Real-time alerts and notifications. Set up triggers so you never miss a critical update, like sales dropping or inventory running low. Natural language processing. Ask questions like, what were last quarter's top-selling products? And get an instant answer. Think of it like having a personal data assistant, one that works 24/7 to give you instant, actionable insights. Real-world use cases, how businesses are winning with Smart InteGraphics. Still wondering how this applies to your business? Let me give you a few real-world examples. Retail business. A retail company used Smart InteGraphics to analyze regional sales trends. The result? They optimized inventory and boosted sales by 20% in just 3 months. Healthcare. Hospitals use it to track patient outcomes and predict demand for medical supplies, improving operational efficiency. Finance. Financial institutions analyze historical transaction data to detect fraud patterns and reduce risks. Manufacturing. Companies monitor production efficiency and detect quality control issues before they become costly problems. No matter what industry you are in, if you're really on data, Smart InteGraphics can make your life easier. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Let's say I want to analyze sales data over the last 6 months. Boom! Within seconds, I have a fully interactive report that I can drill down into 4 deeper insights. So here is my question to you. Do you want to spend hours wrestling with spreadsheets, or do you want instant AI-powered insights at your fingertips? If you're ready to take control of your data, fill the form that's in the description right now. Let's discuss how Smart InteGraphics can help you and your business get smarter, faster, and more efficient. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more data-driven insights, and drop a comment below if you have any questions to me. I'd love to help. Your data has a story to tell. Let Smart InteGraphics help you unlock its full potential. Thank you.